Hi, my name is Luke Ivy, and this is my video for the Alliant Group STEM Scholarship for students who will be pursuing a STEM degree or will be studying STEM in college next year, or this coming fall. And this video is mainly just an introduction for myself, just me showing off who I am through some pictures and everything, and then also why I feel like I am deserving of the scholarship. Alright, so this is actually just going to be a slideshow of myself for the video portion. So I currently go to Jinx High School. I have been going to the Jinx Public Schools since the 3rd grade now, so I've been here quite a bit. And this is actually just a campus picture. As you can see, it's quite large, but with the large campus, it actually provides a lot. And one of the big things that it's provided for me personally is the FIRST robotics program. I am actually the president of the Jinx robotics team now. This is just a cool picture of me working on the robot. I was able to just fix some wiring right there. But this is actually our final product. And this is the robot that our team built over the course of 3 months from the wheels up, completely from scratch. This is actually just a funny picture that I took with the robot, just laying down in front of it. But the robotics team has been able to really dive into the engineering aspect with designing, solving a problem, and then designing and building around it. So we've been able to really encapture STEM. We've actually done so well that we've won awards. We've won multiple awards for business and everything and safety. And the team has actually taken us so far that we were able to present at Tinker Air Force Base, and we were given a private show of the Blue Angels. It was just a practice show, but it was a private show. And so we were able to see the Blue Angels as a team while also presenting STEM to kids and everybody around at Tinker Air Force Base. Now this next picture is actually the group that I participated in Tulsa Tech. We were given a design problem. We chose a problem to design a solution around as engineers, and so we chose scissor jacks and unsafety for car jacks. And so we were designing, we built, we prototyped, and then we had a final presentation to engineers for a new product. So this next portion is actually just going to be fun random facts about myself. I was actually a flag runner for the Jinx High School football team this past year. We were able to run at the state championship game, and Jinx actually won. Go Jinx, we're the best. That was a joke. But I was able to participate in that. I'm a huge nerd. I really love technology. I was actually able to build my own computer over the summer, and with that I've been able to play games and everything, and I really love that. I'm also a huge animal person. This is actually just a funny picture of a chicken that I put on my head, because why would I resist putting a chicken on my head when given the opportunity? But I love animals. This is a selfie I took with a goat while out with my parents one day. Another random thing, I'm a huge Croc enthusiast. Love Crocs. This is my first pair of Crocs, and this is my second pair of Crocs. I only have 2, but I'm working on getting it up there. And this is actually a picture of a longboard I just recently purchased. I've been getting into longboard recently because it's a good way to hang out with friends and everything, and that's something I really enjoy. And lastly, this is just the Star Wars Jedi Order symbol, because I love Star Wars. I think Star Wars is the best universe ever created. If I could live in the Star Wars universe, I would. I just love Star Wars. It's awesome. I'm a huge nerd. It's okay. And then lastly, I'm a huge goofball. This is actually a picture I took of me soaring in the snow this year. But to wrap it up, my plans for the future, I actually plan to enlist in the U.S. Air National Guard, and I'll be able to participate in Air Guard while attending OSU in the fall. And that's my overall plan, is to hopefully attend OSU here in the fall. I've already been accepted, but I just need to get through it. And now for the big question of why should I be chosen for the scholarship? And that just comes down to, I believe that I will be able to use the scholarship to its full potential. I'll be studying mechanical engineering in the fall at Oklahoma State University, and the scholarship will just help me actually just attend OSU in general. College can be expensive, and specifically engineering with all the fees and everything. The scholarship will be a huge help for being able to pursue my dream of engineering. I've always wanted to go into a STEM-related field ever since I was a child. I love the whole STEM ideology and everything about it. Science, technology, engineering, math. I've always pushed myself into STEM classes and STEM areas. Like I mentioned, I'm in the first robotics team at Jinx High School, and with that, I've been able to experience more and more of an engineering aspect, and I've really grown to love it. And even through first, I've been able to teach other people about STEM as well. I've been able to mentor students in Lego robotics and everything because of how much I love STEM related things and engineering. I want everybody else to experience engineering like I do. And so being able to teach everybody else of the joys that I have really helps me, to be honest. And in the future, if or when I do graduate from OSU as an engineer, I would love to be able to continue that and inspire more people through STEM and everything, and not be able to just graduate and get into a job, but able to actually help others and truly inspire everybody else of the wonders that STEM provides for everybody.